Hi and welcome to Golden Elite. Today we'll be looking at the beautiful standing pedestal sink collection, Sedani. So let's go take a look at these beautiful sinks. Our collection showcases two stunning designs, the sleek textured silver finish pedestal and the elegant floral white and silver pedestal sink. Centered in our collection is the white ceramic sink, a perfect 16 inches in size, designed for daily use and easy maintenance. The Sedani Collection is an embodiment of Golden Elite Deco's commitment to excellence, designed with a discerning homeowner in mind. Each piece stands freely, making them not only a focal point of style but also a symbol of sophistication in design. Don't miss out on the chance to transform your space. Stop by one of our showrooms or visit us online today.